Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how to sign into your Snapchat account. It is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. The first thing that you have to do is open your Snapchat app. After opening your Snapchat app, here you can see the option of login and sign up. Tap on the red button that you can see login. After tapping on login button, here you can see the option of adding your email address or phone number or username and your password. So if you remember your username, you can type your username, or if you don't remember the username, you can simply type your email or your phone number. I'm going to type my username since I remember that. After typing your username, now type your password. After typing down your password, now tap on login button. After doing so, now here you can see you are now successfully logged into your Snapchat account. You can go to your profile and check. You can see this is my profile and I have successfully logged into my Snapchat account. Pretty easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.